If you have any crew members or anybody else working for you that doesn't know what they're doing, this is how your cables are going to end up. So where do you start from here, right? Just a big pile of spaghetti. Well, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss it all down on the ground. I'm going to find one end. I'm just going to start pulling and pulling and pulling. And I'll pull up a whole bunch more cable. What I'm going to show you here is the over-under cable wrapping method. I'm going to take the cable from my right hand and pull it over into my left. Then I'm going to go ahead and go under. I'm going to fold the cable under my right hand and pull it to my left. Over and then under. And by the end of it, what you have here is a perfectly wrapped cable.
Sorry, Dave.
Hello, Cleveland!
So far too passionate for that, considering the topic. Excuse me.
What does it do, Brad?
I was Bill Shakespeare. Excuse me.
What we've got here is a blank wall.
Dave. Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
How's your crossover, Dave?
Rolling.
Tape is rolling. Tape is rolling. If there are any technical problems with the system, you heard it here. Oh, that was so awful.
Well, in live sound applications, you often have several
And action.
So you need 4 kicks. A tom, you like to have 8, I noticed. 3 condensers, and 3 more, and then 2, and then 1 extra one.
Well, in live sound applications, you often have several.
That's a blooper.
Love this! What advice would I give to upcoming sound engineers? Be prepared to run and wait. And the most important thing to being a sound engineer is showing up on time.